Good afternoon. My name is Mitch Dunford. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at the Risk and Insurance Education Alliance, and we're here today to talk about the Council for Insuring Private Clients conference coming up May 8th and 9th in Dallas. And to help me out, we have an old friend, Courtney Kerr Brooks. Courtney, welcome to our broadcast today.
Hey, Mitch, thank you so much for having me. I'm excited to be here with you.
Well, we appreciate it. Tell us a little bit, tell our viewers a little bit more about yourself, your background in private client, in the private client insurance space and with MarketScout.
Yeah, of course. So I have upwards of 15 years of experience specifically in the private client space. I was luckily able to start my career out with a carrier that was only doing the high net worth space. So I've eat, slept, breathed all of this my whole career. So in 2013, I left the carrier side and joined MarketScout, a division of Novate, on the private client team. At that time, I was lucky enough to be there for the inception of what has now become the CIPC, or Council for Insuring Private Clients. So it's been really fun to see what this entity has evolved into and to be a part of it from day one and play a specific role in my career. I've really enjoyed being part of CIPC and CPRM, as it's something that I can really use on a day-to-day basis, with my focus on running our private client team as well as our exclusive fine art and specie facility within London.
That's terrific. And thanks for all you've done there. The CIPC has been really instrumental in advancing both education and best practices in that high net worth space. Can you share a little bit more about the mission and the vision of CIPC over the years?
Absolutely. So prior to the inception of CIPC in 2013, there really wasn't an entity that was in place to specifically serve these affluent clientele and for people to kind of foster a collaborative landscape where they can work with their competitors or their colleagues as to what needs to be done to educate ourselves and to better serve the private client space. So what we really wanted to do and what we have been doing with CIPC is to empower these professionals with the knowledge, the resources, and the insurance connections necessary to provide the service that these unique niche of individuals need. Our goal is to create a place where you are a true advisor rather than just an order taker, and where you can really counsel your clients on what they need to do to protect themselves.
Terrific. What are some of the biggest benefits of attending the conference, the CIPC conference, and how does it align with the professional development and growth of someone specializing in high net worth clients?
Sure. So there's really two big benefits of attending the conference. One is the educational side, where you can really expand your practical knowledge as to what you're doing on a day-to-day basis with your clients. And then the other one is that face-to-face networking that we provide. One of the biggest differences with CIPC is the time that you get to spend with people you wouldn't necessarily be face-to-face at, be it admitted market, non-admitted market, be it executives that you don't usually get to interact with, or competitors that may have a different idea on how to accomplish certain solutions. So we really make an effort to blend the educational side with the ability to network with people in the space.
That's huge. Since COVID, we've kind of lost this opportunity to meet people face to face and establish those relationships. Who would you say is the typical attendee? Are there specific roles or experience levels of the people who attend the conference?
The CIPC is open to anyone who wants to attend, and that includes not even just the insurance industry. If you're in family office or wealth management, you are more than welcome to attend, as we really do want to expand into everything that has to do with high net worth. But typically what we do see, the most beneficial attendee is going to be your thought leaders, your C-suite executives, your agency owners, senior service managers, people of that sort, who are really there to soak up all the knowledge that they can, make the connections that they need, and then bring that back to their team so that that team can then continue to advise successfully with that unique niche of individuals in the affluent market.
Excellent. We touched on this just a minute ago, but in addition to the educational opportunities, you mentioned networking. Can you describe some of the networking opportunities that will be available?
Absolutely. So a lot of what we do is make sure that there's plenty of networking breaks, similar to any other conference, but we have a bit more, they're a bit longer, so that you have time to really have those conversations with the people that you're meeting. We also do not do a seated dinner, anything like that. We want it to be where each person can connect with who they feel they're going to get the most benefit from. So there are lots of dinners that are set up. There's lots of little nooks and crannies where people can set up separate meetings. We have tons of exhibitors and sponsors that are there to meet with every single day. So in addition to the panel sessions, the presentations, it's going to be those networking events, as well as the ability to strategically attend a session and then find those people, be it at the happy hour or the networking event afterwards.
Awesome. Well, Courtney, what would you say are some of the biggest challenges currently facing private client insurance professionals, and how will some of those issues be addressed at the conference?
One of the biggest issues is going to be securing CAT capacity, and that's definitely going to be a big topic of conversation. It already is, of course.
Yeah.
And that's not to say that everybody has the perfect answer or solution, but that's exactly what CIPC is here to do, is to get all of these thought leaders in the same place and kind of collaborate on what we are doing, what we could do. So that's definitely something that we'll touch on. We're going to be touching on California wildfire. We're going to be touching on Florida hurricanes and all of the different changes in the landscape across the U.S. that are happening.
So for any of our viewers that are interested in potentially attending or learning more about the conference, how do they do so?
Absolutely. So you can, of course, reach out to me or anyone at MarketScout for more information, as well as the board of CIPC. And we also have a website called privateclientcouncil.com, super easy to find, where you can find the agenda, you can find the registration link. And if you have any questions, I'm always available.
Terrific. We really appreciate you jumping on this call with us, Courtney. Good luck at the conference. We really value our relationship with MarketScout and all you do for us and the industry. So thanks so much.
Oh, well, thank you so much. And thank you for always being involved. We appreciate you guys, and we're excited for this May at the Dolphin.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. Thanks y'all for listening and tuning in. Until next time, we hope to see you in Dallas, May 8th and 9th. Take care, and thanks for watching.